So I'm replacing a battery on a 2000 Dodge Stratus. It's not the funnest thing to do because the battery is under the hood of the car, which means you always have to remove the wheel, which means you have to have tools. You can't just hook it up and plug it in. It's not convenient. It's a whole job just to change the battery, and in most cars you can literally just plug it in. It's very easy. But on this car,
they make it hard for a nigga to steal a battery. Take the whole tire off. Yep. They make it hard.
I don't know if you've heard that, but so the pro of having the battery under the car is that it's harder to distill.
Right.
But I still think, if your hood is locked, well, yeah, that's true. They'll break the hood, I guess. But anyways, changing a Dodge, they can break a window. Changing a Dodge Stratus battery.